Hey DBRIGHT Squad, so for this DIY it's very simple. What you guys are going to need are some hair ties. If you don't have hair ties, you can actually use elastics. I am going to use elastics just because my hair ties are like everywhere and I can't find them right now and I want to film right now. So I'm going to use my elastics. You need a ruler, scissors, you're going to need some fabric, some nice fabric that you want to turn into a scrunchie. You're going to need a cup, scissors, and you're going to need a glue gun as well. So let us get started. Okay, so the fabric that I'm using, this is just basically a tank top. You can use whatever you like. I like the yellow color of this, so I'm going to use it. So the first thing that we're going to do, you can actually grab a pen or pencil. You'll need that as well. So my calculations for this, for the scrunchie, we're going to use, we're going to do 40 centimeters. We're going to, if we have enough. I might do 35 centimeters just because I don't think I have enough fabric going both ways. So it's fine. I'm going to do 35 centimeters by 8. Okay, so I'm going to use my ruler. So I'm going to use obviously the longest wherever I have more fabric. So I'm going to make this, so here it's 30. I'm just going to use my marker. And then I'm going to add 5 more centimeters. I'm actually going to bring it all the way down to here. Okay, so it's up to you guys. Usually I do it from 35 to 40 centimeters. So right now I'm kind of working with just what I have. So I made mine, it's a bit off. I made it 38 centimeters just because the top only allows for that. And then I'm going to do that by 8 centimeters. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll move it up. So from where I put my point, I'm just going to do 8 centimeters because I don't like it when it's too thick. And then there we go. So it's going to be this long. Okay, just a straight line. Okay, so after you make all your markings, you're going to cut out that rectangle, which is going to be about 40 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Okay, mine is a little bit short. It's 38 by 8 centimeters, but that's just fine. So you're going to just cut a rectangle, and with your scissors, make sure you have sharp scissors, guys. It does make a difference. So let's get into cutting. Okay, so I have my rectangle cut out. This is 30 by 8 centimeters. You can do 35 by 8 centimeters. You can do 40 by 8 centimeters. So whatever fits, whatever you want to do, as much fabric as you want to use, but that's the ones that I recommend. Anyway, so the next step, we're going to add some glue just at the edge over here, and then we're going to flip it over like that, and then we're just going to glue it down. Okay, so make sure the side that you want like to be seen is right up, and then the back is like the inside part. Okay, that's very important. So just like that, there's glue on this side, and I'm just gonna fold it over. Make sure you align it properly, and then you're just gonna stick it all together. Make sure you press down, nice and even, just like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry, I couldn't show you the gluing process just because my glue stick, the cord is not long enough, so it doesn't reach all the way to my bed. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that so that it sticks. Okay, just make sure it's nice and tight. Just like do this to see if it feels good, and it feels just right. Okay, that's great. So the next step you're going to do is you're gonna grab your scissors, and you're just gonna cut the edge here so that it's not too bulky. So you're just gonna cut a bit, follow along the line where the glue is. Just cut a nice straight line. There you go. Okay, that should be good. So it should just look like that. That's perfect. And then you're gonna grab your cup. Just gonna grab your cup. You're gonna put it right in the middle. And as you can see, that this part is the inside of the scrunchie, right? So we're just gonna put this on top of the cup. just like that. Okay, and then we're going to take the elastic. Okay, you guys see the elastic? Okay, we're going to put it around. So this part gets a little bit, you have to really hold on to it. So you put on the cup like this. Okay, and you hold on to the cup like that. And then you take your elastic and you put it on top of a cup and make sure it's centered. And then what you're gonna do, this is where you're gonna become a lot you have to really use your creativity. You're gonna like space it out so that it's nice and even. This is very important part because a scrunchie is literally scrunched up, so you want to get that effect. Make sure it is in the middle. Okay, so the next step here, I'm gonna try to get my glue stick to come a little bit closer so you guys can see. And then what we're trying to do is fold this inward like that, and then put this as well inward, and then stick it like that. You guys see that? That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get this type of lining on it. So we're trying to put glue between lines like this. Okay, so I'll show you guys. So I have my glue gun, and you see how I've already folded it. So I'm gonna put my glue a little bit at a time, because you guys know how glues get, they get all over the place. And then I'm gonna take my folded side and I'm just gonna attach it like that, and then I'm gonna squeeze it so that make sure it's all together. You guys see that? Perfect. See how it went all together? So I'm gonna do that all over. Make sure all the cut sides are folded so it's just nice and seamless like that. Okay? Okay, as you guys can see, I really tried my best to kind of just, you know, fold both sides and make it like stick together. You know, I tried my best. It didn't come out exactly perfect, but you know, I tried my best. Not a professional, but hey. So basically, when you finish scrunching everything together, both sides together, as you guys can see from there, both sides are together. After you do that, you could just remove it from the cup, and then you can see that now you have a nice scrunchie for your hair with the elastic. You can put it around your arm, or you can put, obviously for your hair, because it has that elastic. Okay, so basically it's very simple, and that is basically how you create a scrunchie. Okay, thank you so much, DBRIGHT Squad, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!